bringing the fuel that powers modern civilization.
From distant oceans to the heart of global economies.
These ships are among the largest moving structures on Earth. A single vessel can stretch longer than multiple football fields.
Built to survive the harshest conditions at sea. Through calm waters and violent storms.
Every journey is a mission of precision and power.
Behind this massive machine are human lives. This is the story of how oil tankers work.
Some tankers carry raw, unprocessed crude oil.
Others transport refined fuels like gasoline and diesel.
From small coastal ships to ultra-large ocean giants. On deck, a complex network of pipelines controls every movement.
Smaller tankers operate along coasts and inland routes.
Refined fuels are delivered directly to distribution terminals.
Precision navigation is required to dock these massive ships.
These ships connect oil fields to global energy markets.
VLCCs and ULCCs are among the largest ships ever built.
Tankers vary greatly in size depending on their purpose.
Product tankers carry refined fuels like gasoline and diesel.
Crude oil tankers transport unrefined oil from extraction sites.
This is the entry point where oil flows in and out. A helipad ensures fast access even in the middle of the ocean.
Cranes lift and move heavy equipment with precision. Pressure inside tanks is carefully released into the atmosphere.
Crew members continuously monitor every part of the ship.
The ship never sleeps. Operations run day and night.
Inside this massive structure lies a complex, hidden world. These giant tanks store thousands of tons of crude oil. Instead of one tank, the ship is divided into many smaller sections. This design prevents dangerous shifting of liquid inside the ship. Deep inside, the engine room powers this giant forward. Heavy fuel oil drives the engines that move this vessel.
Pumps control the movement of oil throughout the ship.
Empty spaces separate tanks to prevent dangerous mixing. Every system works together to keep the ship stable and efficient. Seawater is pumped into ballast tanks when needed. Without ballast, the ship becomes unstable and difficult to control. With proper ballast, the ship remains steady and controlled.
Ballast water can carry harmful microscopic organisms.
Before release, water must be treated to remove these threats. Advanced filtration and UV systems neutralize harmful life forms.
Only clean water is released back into the ocean.
Protecting marine ecosystems is a global responsibility.
At the terminal, the loading process begins with precise connections.
Massive loading arms lock securely onto the ship. Oil begins its journey through the manifold system.
A network of pipelines directs oil into multiple tanks.
Powerful pumps push oil deep into the ship. Oil enters from the bottom to ensure safe and efficient loading.
When needed, oil is transferred between ships at sea.
At sea, oil is transferred through floating hoses and buoys. Multiple pipelines work together to maintain balance. Oil is evenly distributed across multiple tanks.
Crude oil
Must be heated to flow efficiently. Heating reduces viscosity, making the oil easier to pump.
Temperature is carefully controlled throughout the journey.
Advanced systems constantly monitor pressure and safety conditions.
Gas detection systems ensure a safe working environment. In emergencies, rapid response systems are activated instantly. Fire prevention systems are critical on oil tankers. Fire prevention systems are critical on oil tankers.
Excess pressure is safely released to prevent dangerous buildup.
Every system is constantly monitored throughout the voyage.
Precision engineering ensures safe and efficient operation at all times.